In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix Amazon login error. Let's get started. First, launch your Amazon app and make sure your country or region settings are selected correctly. Then tap on Done and go to Sign In page. Enter your email address and password carefully because one of the most common reasons for not receiving OTP is entering the wrong email or phone number. Make sure your details are correct so Amazon can send the code to the right place. If you are still not getting the OTP, check your internet connection and also look in your email spam or junk folder since sometimes the code might be filtered there. Another helpful trick is to tap on resend code, but don't request it too many times in a row because that can temporarily block new codes. If I have forgotten your password, you can tap on forget password and try resetting it. This process will also send you a verification code, so it's a good way to check if your account is receiving messages properly. In case you are using app, you can use the web version of Amazon. And that's it. These are some fixes for Amazon login error and OTP not being received. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.